Peace.
What is going on, guys? It's T-Boy13 back here with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can download the NDS app on your iDevice. So first, you have to get the Tweakbox app. So I will put the link in the description, and it's very easy to download it. Like, it's so simple, and there's a lot of tutorials out there. But yeah, so when you get the Tweakbox app, just open up and wait before you click anything. You see there's a pop-up always like popping up, so wait for this pop-up and then push on the X on top right corner, and then go to apps in the middle section, and then take Tweakbox apps, and then scroll down. As you can see here, scroll down until you come to the iNDS app. So when you come to the iNDS app, just press on it and then press install and push install again. Now your game or your app will be installing, so you can go back to your home screen. I'm just gonna move it to this place quick. So as you guys can see there I have the app right now. So go to your settings, and then go to your general, and then profiles, and then there you go. You just trust on it, and then you can exit from the settings, go back here, get into the app, and once you guys are in the app, click on the search on the right hand corner, and then wait. You see there's like a Google, so just scroll down. It will automatically put Nintendo DS ROMs, so you can just scroll down and take the first link, ROMs Romania, and then and then you can scroll down, and as you guys can see, you can search for the games, and you can choose any Pokemon game you want. So for example, I'm gonna take Pokemon Heart Gold. So I press on it, and then you scroll down until you see the green download button, and then you press on it, and as you guys can see here, it says your ROM is downloading. And down here you can see downloading started, so you can just press done on the right hand corner, and you will see your game is downloading. So I will see you guys when the game is downloaded. As you guys can see here, now the game is downloaded, so you can just start it up by pressing it and just press launch normally. And as you guys can see here, you have the controls and the game started. So yeah, guys, this is the tutorial about how you can get Nintendo DS games for free. So if you like this video, or if it helped you out, please leave a please leave a like and subscribe and comment for my next video, what I should do tutorials about. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.